Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today I'm showing you how to make a pegboard jewelry stand using these bobbins. Pegboard, which you'll see me paint a little later. This particular one is my practice piece and I left it natural on the back, but I will be redoing another piece for the actual display. And last but not least, I've got some of these Chicago screws. It's a two-part system that screws together, and I'll show you here. This is the screw part. So this particular one just slips right into the center of the bobbin, and then I can screw it right on. So essentially what I'm going to do is put these onto the pegboard, insert the Chicago screw like so, and then I'll get a little screwdriver. I don't have it here with me right now, but this just essentially screws right in. The advantage of using these bobbins is that they have holes around here. So not only can I hang necklaces on the center of this, right in there, but I can also clip earrings into these holes so that I can hang both my necklace and earrings together. So I'm going to skip every other hole along the edges here. Insert the bottom part of the screw, slip the bobbin right over. Oops, I've got the wrong end on there. Let's try this. And then tighten it up with a screwdriver. The ideal length post for these is anywhere from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. As you can see here, that's the difference. They both work. The longer one, of course, is much easier to put on, but either one will work. With a 1/2 inch, you will get it screwing in quite a bit more. It'll be much more solid. But in all likelihood, you are going to be hanging light jewelry on this anyways. So the one I have in right now is 1/4 inch, and you'll see that works too. So the longer posts do work a lot better. As you can see, it clears it. And it's much easier to position and get the screw in there. Okay, so that side is done. I'm going to complete the other side off camera. I was lucky to thrift this wrought iron stand that's typically used for stained glass. And then you can just pop your pegboard right into the stand. From there, you just hang your necklaces right onto the bobbins. And now you're ready for the earrings. Once your necklaces are hanging on the jewelry display, you just slip your earrings right into these holes in the bobbin, and they hang really well. If you have an earring with a back like so, you just slip it through the back and clip it right on. Alternately, you could also clip your earrings together like I've done here and just put it through one hole so that it hangs like so.